Hi everyone, welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm going to show you how to make a very powerful drink. It has so many benefits. It's anti-inflammatory, it's full of antioxidants, and it's best to have it during the day. I will go through the main ingredients and my method, and you can jazz it up with different flavors that you enjoy. So let's get started. I'm going to start prepping my ingredients. The first two is fresh ginger and fresh turmeric. You can use a knife or a peeler. I prefer using a spoon. There is less wastage and the peel easily comes off. I will do the rest of the ginger on my own. Let's move on to the turmeric. The turmeric, I use the very same method to remove the peel. You will have to be careful with staining. Your fingers will very easily stain. Some people prefer to use gloves. I wash my hands thoroughly in some soapy water directly after I've cleaned the turmeric. So I've peeled my ginger and my turmeric. I've diced it up and I've kept it aside. I'm taking another small piece of ginger which I'm now grating. So in addition to the diced ginger, I will be adding some grated ginger. We're going to go all the way. I really want to enhance all the flavors and the potency of this drink. So here I have my fresh turmeric that's cleaned. I've got my grated ginger and I've got my diced ginger as well. I will add a quill of cinnamon. I'm going to go through in my series the different types of cinnamon. You need to be wary and educate yourself on cinnamon. And that's my black pepper. Black pepper increases the absorption of turmeric by 2000%. The combination of turmeric and black pepper is a powerful combination. I've added a liter of water to boil, and I'm adding my fresh ginger, followed by my fresh turmeric. A quill of cinnamon, and my grated ginger. This is just going to add to the flavor. We'll let everything simmer until the turmeric starts to release its flavors and colors. I'm now ready to add my freshly cracked black peppercorns. And if you prefer green tea or any tea, you can add it to your boiling water as well. Next, I'm going to add everything to my teapot. It does have a diffuser, so I'm popping all of those ingredients into the diffuser to avoid any splashes. So there goes my turmeric, my ginger, and my cinnamon quill. And then I'll add the water. So you can also strain everything into a jug or directly into your mug before serving. Once it's cooled down slightly, you can serve and then add any sweetener of your choice: maple syrup, honey, stevia, sugar. I also add a splash of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and you can add a sprig of mint as well. If you wish, you can cool it down completely and leave a jug in your refrigerator and consume within the next 2 days. This powerful drink is more suitable for the day. It's got a lot of grated ginger and ginger, which will keep you energized. So try not to have it in the late afternoon or evening. I simply love the taste. It feels like you're at a spa retreat I love the addition of the cinnamon. This specific cinnamon that I'm using, the Ceylon cinnamon, just gives it a very, very hearty, flavorsome, sweet taste. There are so many benefits from each and every ingredient which I do go through in my series. Please go and refer to those ingredients and look at all those benefits and start including it in your drinks, in your food, in your favorite teas. Thank you so much for watching once again. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. I upload videos every single week. Please like and share. And your kind comments are always very, very welcome. Have a beautiful day. I am Selena.